Hello everyone. Now we will install an IDE called IntelliJ IDE, which was created by the company JetBrains. But what's an IDE? An IDE is a tool we use to write programs. It allows us to compile and execute programs. As we can see here, it also allows us to be aware of mistakes existing within our codes. Now we will open Google in order to install IntelliJ IDE. We type JetBrains, then we pick the first website. We go in Developer Tools and IntelliJ IDE. Then we select Download. Then we have two versions, the Ultimate, which is the paid one, and Community, which is free. So we choose the free one. Then we do Install. The download is over, so I will open the file. We select Next. Then we pick where we want it to be downloaded. We do Next, then Next, and then finally Install. We click on Finish. It should normally start, so we wait a bit. First, we are going to change the settings. We go in Customize, and here we can choose, for example, if we want the background to be light or if we want it to be dark. Then we go on Settings and Auto Import. We check those two if it wasn't already done. Then Code Folding as well. We remove the check on Imports. Also on one line, Annotations, and Generate Constructor. Basically, this will make it easier for beginners to use it. Then we end it with OK. Now we finished to install IntelliJ IDE. In the next video, we are going to start writing our first program, which will be saying Hello World. So see you next video.